to overhand like this, then it's gonna come down through your legs and hit your butt. Boom, and then as soon as it hits your butt, it'll change direction, come back up to underhand, and then you hit your back, and it'll change direction again. So, butt tap, circle in front of you, and then back tap, back to circle in front of you. So, butt tap, buzzsaw, back tap, buzzsaw, 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 butt tap, buzzsaw, back tap, buzzsaw. We're gonna try and do one tap, one circle, one tap, one circle, and it would go like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. We're here in overhand. I'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. When you hit your butt and you come back up, hit the bottom one time before hitting your back, then hit the bottom one time before going under the butt. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, butt to underhand, back to overhand. And 5, 6, 7, 8, butt to underhand, back to overhand. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. You have to imagine the context of this on fire, right? So imagine both of these poi are on fire, right? And then you go bum bum. So what happens is a whoosh of fire comes up your butt, right? And then similarly, when you go underhand like this and you hit your back, it's whoosh whoosh down your back. And then we'll tap on the butt, come to underhand, and then tap on the back and go back to overhand. And tap on the butt to underhand and back to overhand. Tap the butt to underhand, tap the back to overhand, tap the butt to underhand, tap the back to overhand, butt to underhand, back to overhand, butt to underhand, back to overhand, butt to underhand, back to overhand. And we'll do what we were doing before. I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8, then we'll do butt, circle, back, circle. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, butt, circle, back, circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 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 butt, circle, back, circle. You have both poi in the same time, and we're gonna tap, and then go into split time, and then you can sync it up to together time again, and we'll tap, and we'll go back into split time. So if you start in your overhand buzzsaw, and let's say you're in split time to begin with, and then you sync it up to together time, then we're gonna tap on the butt, come out, underhand, split the time, and make it a regular old split time buzzsaw, so split the time. Then we're gonna sync it up again and tap the back to overhand. So you're in your split time buzzsaw. Now, as quickly as you can, you're gonna come down and tap and change direction. I'm here in split time, but then as I come down, I sync up the time and tap myself, and then split the timing when I come out of it. I am coming down, I'm starting in split time, but then as I come down, I sync it up. And then I go back into split time as quickly as possible. You can do the combination like this, where you do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the side, I think that one has the most performance bang for its buck, but I don't think it's easier to do physiologically. Now, you don't even need to continue to go back and forth between the butt tap and the back tap. That's just like, if you're not doing it with fire, it looks like your back is on fire because the fire spreads. You're not really, but it looks that way. So it may not be as cool with LED. And you could just be doing your thing and do like one tap and then you're in the other direction if that's what you wanted. Let's do it in together time like this, where we try both poi. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle. Now let's try 2 times in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle. And then end in the split time buzzsaw. So then if we did it as a combo, like we just did, we'd start here in this, then we'd go 5, 6, 7, sync it up on 8, then butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, then come out and go into split time, and you're back where you started. Split time, then 5, 6, 7, sync it up, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, then split the timing. So overhand buzzsaw, and 5, 6, 7, sync it up, and butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, split it back into split time. And 5, 6, 7, and sync it up, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, and split the time. And 5, 6, 7, sync it up, butt, circle, back, circle, butt, circle, back, circle, split the time.